What's up, everybody? Look at that. Look at that. I be running my ass off, boy. I don't care what nobody say. I be running. And that's only from 2 miles. 2 miles and a half. 2 miles and a half. I used to come out here, I used to be breathing hard, right? Not breathing hard now. I'm still not in shape though. Not breathing hard. It used to be hard for me to catch my breath. Remember that? Look at the old videos. Look at the old videos. I thought that guy was gonna come say something to me. Work truck. Truck. What's up, everybody? I don't be like telling about what I'm doing, because I be watching these guys on these TikTok videos, and they suck. They suck, bro. It's like, and it's not their fault. They just be making shit up. And like I said, there's a big disconnect between the older guys and the younger guys. All these young guys make fun of the older guys, and now they ain't got nobody to teach them. They be doing some dumb shit. They do shit in boxing that don't make no sense. They doing that shit like they're doing MMA. And I always say I hate MMA. I hate that shit. I hate it. The reason I don't like MMA It's because I think they do shit for the sake of theatrics instead of being logical. If you got a man right here and you punching him in the face, why you gonna try to hit him with your elbow? Look how hard that is to hit a guy with your elbow. Your hand is right there. Your hand is doing good, just fine. Your hand is doing just fine, knocking him out. They be like, boom, boom, and then, come on, man. This shit don't make no sense. It don't make sense. You right here, and you hitting right here. You with this, you gotta come like that. It is what it is. But in boxing, you can't. Well, some guys do it in boxing. They be doing it. They do it. It's a dirty move. It's a dirty tactic. But you would do it like that. Just put your hand up there, like hit him with it. But I don't like MMA. I'm not here to talk bad about MMA. I just think boxers are doing shit that they don't need to do, and they got these young guys teaching them, and they be making shit up. All them girls got ponytails. That's all. Everybody got a ponytail. Everybody's different. Nobody has a short haircut. But they just do shit that I don't see the point in doing. It's even like when they got the guy on the ground, they be pounding his face in. They be pounding his face in, and then they try to hit him with the elbow. Yeah, no more older guys like Buddy McGirt. Nobody teaching these guys. Buddy McGirt is like the last. Buddy McGirt, Teddy Atlas. Teddy Atlas is old. Buddy McGirt is old. They're not, they're not old, but they're probably tired of this shit. Teddy Atlas, Buddy McGirt. I remember when I was coming up, Bowie Fisher. That was a B-Hop's trainer. You had Emmanuel Stewart, Don Turner, Lee Black. You had all these guys that was teaching people. Now, all them old guys are gone, and they didn't pass the torch. Because all the boxers want to be rappers. All the boxers want to be rappers, and all the rappers want to be gangsters. All the boxers want to be rappers, and all the rappers want to be gangsters. Nobody's teaching you, nobody's teaching boxing. Alright, y'all, I'm out. That's enough for today. I'll talk to you guys later.